Good morning, attorney.
Are you
Good morning.
What case are you on?
Dubar. D-U-B-A-R-D.
All right, I have you checked in, thank you.
Thank you. Has he logged in?
No. Courtroom 233, Judge Giles, courtroom. Yeah. Good, how are you? Yeah, is that who's on right now? Wayne County Jail, is that Mr. Ware?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
All right, good morning. I don't have a tether violation. Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you got it or you? O-R. Q-U.
3451.
I-D.
RUEDAR.
Yes.
Who's gonna have to do?
All right. All right. All right.
How old are you? What's your date of birth? 0407-2001.
Oh. Boy, where is the, he was the material witness. Corey Ware. For the Mario Mathis case. They dismissed the top. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I got one.
36th District Court, State of Detroit, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding.
Call Calling case number 2256025, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eulanius Dubard. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, burglar's tools, possession. Count 2, larceny from a motor vehicle. Also calling case number 2356743, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eulanius Dubard. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of personal property, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender, fourth notice. These matters are scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge Alex Randy on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defender Services, standing in for Lauren Anderson on behalf of Mr. Dubard, P77960.
DeVar, is that when we come here?
No, he's not on.
Oh.
I would waive his presence for the purposes of this probable cause conference, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court will waive his appearance for purpose of this hearing. 1 second.
It's 2 other defendants, judge, and they're both closed. They were bound over.
All right. Asking for an exam date.
Yes, Your Honor. I also note that while I have complete discovery in the new case, 2023 case, I do not have any digital in the 2022 case.
I just sent paper and digital for both cases, so both of these cases you should receive paper and digital. It was like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yep.
All right. May 17th at 10 o'clock.
That should work.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything else?
No.
All right, thank you.
So input his, Hmm. Oh,
That's your job, don't pay me.
The kid put it in, she's trying to get you back out.
no, I didn't do
I'm
that.
just.
That was another clerk. So Judge, Mr. Ware, which is the tether violation, you want me to have the, file pulled? Cause he's he had a witness, detainer for witness on the Mario Mathis case, which you dismissed.
And the Sawyer, special prosecutor.
So he doesn't have an attorney, yeah, he was the witness.
Oh,
You put the detainer on it?
And then, so when I ran the,
he has his own case too.
no, it's just a detainer for the witness. Judge Sabri, I believe, put a tether on him. She gave him a personal bond
Yeah,
with a tether.
okay,
I think that's why they violated him.
all right. But then the underlying cases.
Right.
The prosecutor, special prosecutor, case, sorry.
So he
If the
doesn't,
case is dismissed, then there's no reason for the bond and tether.
right, they should,
Well, they should have, well, go ahead and tether on it, pick them up.
oh,
I'm not gonna violate them. But they may, if they try to be charged. Then, well,
so he doesn't have an attorney. You say,
case is dismissed. So there's no reason for that.
there's no reason for him.
The underlying bond,
Oh,
the tether.
so we don't need to see him then? I mean,
I we need to do it so I can, throw out the dismiss the tether violation.
okay, so I can just call,
Does he return?
No,
no, he doesn't have one. Because it's- Mr. Ware, can you unmute yourself? He is muted.
Listen.
He can hear us, but he can't. He's muted. I just want to make sure. Mr. Ware, can you have the deputy unmute you? You're on mute. All right, thank you. Parties ready on Corey Ware. Calling case number 2300010. The people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Ware. Defendant is on a tether violation.
Good morning, Judge Giles, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
So where is station name for the record, please?
Corey Ware.
All right, Mr. Ware, you had a witness detainer put on you. There was a witness detainer asked for, was granted, you were given a personal bond with a tether. Then you didn't show up for court.
I had a court date on the 5th, the day before that court date. When they gave me the tether, they tried to give me a court date for the same day as the court date there. Then I told them I couldn't make both court dates, so she gave me a court date for the 5th. And that's the reason I had violated, because when they gave me the court date for the 5th, they locked me up for 5 days for a violation, for my case in Southfield. They locked me up for 5 days. And I got out the day after the court date that I was scheduled to come and see you guys. If they gave me a court date for the same day, I know I couldn't make the 8th on both court days. So they ended up scheduling me for one on the 5th, which was Monday, and they locked me up Monday for 5 days, and I got out on the 9th.
All right, well, Mr. Ware, I'm gonna let you know that they're more than likely gonna refile that case. And they're gonna bring you back in on another witness detainer.
Okay.
And you're gonna come to me. All right. I probably will give you a bond and let you out because you were locked up when you missed it the last time.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have to make sure that you're here, because if you don't, when I won't dismiss the case again. I just haven't hunt you down. All right?
I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
I said, because I won't dismiss that other case again. You understand? If you don't show up, I'm gonna issue a warrant for your arrest and we're gonna hold it till we find you.
Okay. I'll be at the court date. I have no problem with showing up at court, sir.
All right, well, I'm gonna dismiss the violation. And I'm gonna close out the bond.
Okay.
So, as long as you don't have anything else, they'll be letting you go.
I get to go home today?
You don't have any other case?
No, I don't. I'm all clear after this, sir.
All right, then that's it. Yeah, you'll get to go home.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
All right.
All right.
I know. Did you want to wait on your client? I thought you wanted to wait on your client. Do you or not? I can wait. Yeah, I can call it. Okay, because you asked, I thought you were.
Rita, who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor, Brian King.
What's actually your call?
Have you talked to him?
Yes, I spoke to him yesterday. I told him he needed to zoom in. I don't know why he hasn't zoomed in yet. And I haven't checked.
I'm done here, sir.
He set it for in-person exam.
Okay.
Yes, you're all set, Mr. Ware.
Yeah, y'all said. You're gonna need some shit work to close us out.
So I can.
It's closed. It's,
I mean, close out that, another violation.
You want a bond? Form?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I guess something, I mean, have to have some.
It's already been dismissed. It's in the actual file.
But he needs to be released from.
So I think the tether people probably didn't get it.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is.
He wasn't where he was supposed to be.
Right,
And at the time, it's already locked up.
right, but it's been closed, it's been signed to
So we
order.
need this on protected.
Yeah. So what, like this?
Yeah.
Cause it's already in there, just cause right, that's why.
Fighting get picked up.
We can send this over
Yeah,
and there's some action showing so they can.
okay. Party's ready on Brian King.
Oh, let me
Oh.
need my paperwork. Need my my calendar. Put it down the file.
Oh, you put in the other one. Mhm. Party's ready on Brian King, calling case number 2355975. The people of the state of Michigan versus Brian King. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause.
Good morning, Judge Alex Ringer, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Reading P44626, appearing on behalf of Mr. Brian King. I had to be in the building because of in-person exam. Mr. King, I spoke to you yesterday. I gave him the Zoom instructions. He hasn't appeared. I'd asked the court to waive his presence for the purpose of just setting this matter for an in-person preliminary examination, please.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Set exam for May 17th at 10:30.
Judge, could I have the date further out? I have 2 other matters that morning, unless it could be done like around 11.
Good 11.
11?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Anything else?
Staff, thank you, AD.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr. King. May 17th at 11.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well, Michelle is not. Right, so they're all done for sure.
What's up with this?
So,
9 o'clock.
Tomorrow's up the show.
no, not tomorrow.
Oh, no, when, talking about the 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Is that yours?
yeah.
Yeah. No, no play? Calling, calling case number 2356587, the people of the state of Michigan versus Autumn Fluffy. Defendant is charged with count 1, retail fraud, first degree. Habitual offender. Third notice, this matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Your Honor. Remind Cook on behalf of the people, P 82800.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Summers Brush, number 85828, appearing on behalf of Autumn Cloud, who is not present today.
Talk to your client.
I have not been able to make contact with her, Your Honor.
People ask for a case of trial.
You shall enter any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond set 30,000 cash. Anything else?
No, Judge.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah. Terry's did it.
Okay.
I don't know. Always got that. That's what it was. You're right, you put that. That's why I had to go look and see, make sure I didn't do that.
Detention.
Detention is fine. Courtroom too. How you doing? Okay, hold on. You know, you got that since we did too.
Huh? They want me?
Talk to you. Could you ask her if Stanfield showed up? Stanfield.
Courtroom. Hey. No, it's today. Why would he say the 19th? Hold on. No, there's nothing in here saying the 19th. No, I don't see nothing saying the 19th. It looks like we might have to call his attorney then. All right. All right, thank you.
Right.
That's him, he's here.
Oh, so he is here?
He said his attorney told him cases.
The 19th?
To the 19th.
It's gonna get dismissed. What's this number?
On, Terry Stanfield?
Oh. Yeah. So who's this attorney? That's, Mr. Sutton.
Simon.
We need to get in touch with him. Two witnesses.
John? Oh, he logged on.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Walker and Caution.
As we get in touch with Simon. Touch with Simon, we could do this one. Let's go get this most of these downstairs. The inmates downstairs. They have no discovery. 2020 case.
Probably don't have, no discovery.
Let's go. You are taking? I see the pink and the green. That's all I was wondering, you know. I know a couple of attorneys in there. That's how I got asked just to see this. Okay.
Yes.
Is your client?
What?
It's not.
What's going on?
Nobody wants to fit.
Nobody wants to tell them.
Nobody wants to.
It's good.
You're on Morrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Simon's not answering. Hmm? Parties ready on Carl Morrow Jr. Calling case number 2356244. The people of the state of Michigan versus Carl Morrow Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, motor vehicle, unlawful driving away, count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Also calling case number 2355201. The people of the state of Michigan versus Carl Morrow Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. These matters are scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Wing on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, as always, to you and your staff, Judge Cody Bradford with Neighborhood Defender Service P85944. On behalf of Mr. Morrow. Mr. Morrow is not present, Judge. I have attempted contact. Other than that, I have no information to report.
The people motion for case.
Champion shall enter, any bond period 60 minutes shall be forfeited. Bond set, 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Judge.
Is it 894?
85944.
Oh, 895. 89544. Is that right?
85944.
8594. Okay. Thank you.
Everybody have a good day.
Thank you.
I'll send you an email explaining the issue with the. Yeah, thank you.
You're getting a lot of candy. It's all right. What's wrong? Yeah, I got the dismissal. I called him, he didn't answer. Oh, yeah.
You sure?
No, it is.
Resolving it today.
Oh, that's right.
Sure. Did you
The
call him?
attorney's coming.
Did you call him?
The attorney,
Yeah.
Gagnon?
Yeah.
He's coming.
Oh. Tyrone, that's 3-0.
They probably could tell me what CRA told you.
Right.
According to 33. Oh, thank you very much. Just like I said.
Mm-mm. No, he's supposed to go get it checked out tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
And in 30 minutes.
Oh, that's not. You did? Okay, because you can step to it outside. What case are yours? Did you meet with some? Okay.
Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning. I'm here. Ms. Yafufi knows what I'm here for. It's for a Denon Owensby. He's set for tomorrow, but we're going to take care of everything today.
Yes, is your client, is your client coming on?
Should be. I just sent him over the Zoom ID.
Okay. Right.
Change his name.
Mr. Owensby said he is logged on. Are you able to confirm that? Please.
No, we had it said a Zoom user, but I can't just let anybody in. I have to know who it is.
I don't know if he's got the wherewithal to get that. Let me see if I can explain it to him.
Yeah, because I told him to rename his device with his name on it. Or whoever that was,
Hands that.
if that was him. Yeah, it says Zoom user.
Yeah, that's. Oh, yeah, there's not. I didn't know they were stupid. They didn't respond. We don't have any. So, oh, is he here? Yeah.
Good morning.
You haven't heard anything from your client?
Excuse me. This is something that here we're gonna ask you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it wasn't,
We got 15 minutes. It's a secretary, so I guess we can wait.
Yeah.
Still.
That work, is he any closer to renaming? He says he's trying to
He's trying to what?
name his device.
All right. All right. Get ready, isn't that? See, now it's like it takes a long time. Okay, that's it. Must be it. Good morning, sir. Oh, it's connected. Huh?
Still connecting the audio.
Oh, there it is. Good morning, sir. Your name? You're on mute.
D9 Osby.
Party's ready on Dion Owensby.
Yes.
Calling case number 2356626, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dion Owensby. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substances, possession cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams, habitual offender. Third notice, this matter is scheduled for hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Remand Cook on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Gagg, Neighborhood Defender Service, P 64220.
D9 Osby.
Wishes to waive his preliminary examination.
Where are you going to take the deal? The deal in here, Counselor, you're taking the deal or you're waiving?
Excuse me, Your Honor?
There's an offer in here. Are you taking the offer of use of controlled substance? You started talking the same time I was talking.
We want to waive our exam and take the offer.
Okay, you don't have to waive the exam, it's a misdemeanor. All right, hold on a minute. You get a date from the judge.
Oh. Good morning, Chris. How are you? Well, this Kitty. Yeah. Ten. Oh, yeah. August 10th at 9 a.m.
All right, the offer is one count use of controlled substance, oxycodone. Statutory maximum is 1 year. And it says any terms and conditions set forth by the court. That's a totalitarian agreement.
Yes, sir.
Your client wishes to avail himself of that.
Yes, sir.
OSB, raise your right hand. Mr. O, thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down. Mr. Hornsby, you understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up certain constitutional rights to trial. You give up the right to a trial by judge or jury. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You give up the right to confront and question any witnesses the state has against you and use court subpoena power to force any witnesses you may have to come to court and testify on your behalf. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also given up the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, you also give us the right to remain silent, not have that silence held against you, or the right to testify at your own trial if you so decide. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand all these rights I've gone over with you?
Yes, sir, I do.
You had an opportunity to talk to your attorney about these rights,
Yes, sir.
and you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
All right, just need a factual basis, please.
I can handle that, Your Honor. Mr. Owensby, on April 26, 2023, were you in the area of 13001 Harper, City of Detroit, County of Wayne?
Yes, sir.
On that day, time, and place, had you used the narcotic oxycodone?
Yes.
Oxycontin?
Yes, sir.
And you did not have a prescription to use that or permission, correct?
No, sir, I did not.
Unsatisfied, sir.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court's going to accept the plea. The matter is going to be referred to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation report and for sentencing before Judge Bryant. And that will be on August 10th, 2023 at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. August 10th, Judge Bryant.
Yep. And the felony is dismissed.
Thank you. Is there a number for my client to contact?
They contact him, right?
Yeah, they'll contact him. I mean, I can give you the phone number.
If you don't mind sending it just so I can be safe and sure on this one.
Do you want me? You want it or your client?
Why don't you give it to me? I can text it over to him. Please.
Okay, hold on. Oh, so they already pled to me? Judge Bryant has it's our case, did a plea and she rejected it, so they're sending it back to you. Do you want her to schedule for a PCC or exam?
No. Ask Judge Bryant, was it under those sentencing conditions? I told him she wouldn't accept it.
It's Sheila McBride.
Huh?
You remember McBride? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can do that.
You wanna give an exam day or a PCC day?
PCC day.
A PCC day. Any day?
Yeah.
Any. Yeah. All right, thank you. All right, yeah.
What's the name of the case?
McBride.
The McBride case that we did the other day,
Yes.
that I told you that Judge Bryant would not accept it because put all those conditions on sentencing, such as how long the probation would be and all that other stuff. Well, she rejected it. She's sending it back.
Yeah.
I knew that would happen.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Did he log out?
No,
Oh,
no, well,
counselor is 313
Okay,
965
okay.
3414.
Thank you again, everyone.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And they'll contact you, Mr. Owensby.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
yeah, I knew she wasn't gonna accept it. I just shouldn't accept it.
Oh.
And a waste of time. I gotta come back and do it all over again.
I kind of wish you didn't accept it. Because that
Didn't?
kind of sends a message like, we can't, it's not our, our say as to what happens.
What else?
The judge makes that determination.
But as anything dealing with sentencing, yeah. And if you put all these conditions on the sentencing, then you're tying the judge's hand.
Right.
And most of them won't accept this. She wasn't gonna accept it.
2 minutes. Oh, really? I start filling those forms out. This is crazy.
This one right here. Martin, you been all right?
I have. I'm kind of jet lagged.
Oh, you on vacation or something?
Hmm?
You on vacation?
I did.
I thought I just seen you somewhere. Okay.
Where'd you go?
I went to Medellin, Colombia.
Ooh, oh, okay.
It
How
was
was it?
wonderful.
Oh, wow. Yeah, my neighbor who across the street, lives across the street from me is from Colombia. And she keeps telling me, you need to go there, you need to go there.
Oh my God. People have weird perceptions about what it's like. It is positively gorgeous. It is so culturally rich. It is beautiful. The weather is beautiful. My cousin brought it to my attention because he went there, he's a DJ, he went there for a gig one time, and he just got invited back, and he's been there like 14 times in the past year and a half. He's actually getting a place there to stay for the winter this year. He's gonna be there from November to March. That's how much he loves it there. It's a wonderful thing.
You know, I guess if you're younger, you don't have those perceptions, but if you're older, you know, 'cause I can remember when they were showing Columbia and Medellin and a couple other places there where folks would walk around with machine guns and, you know, the cartels were running everything.
The main area that was under Escobar control, that's called Comuna 13. It used to be the most dangerous place in Colombia, is now the safest place. It's the artistic district. They have like some of the most incredible graffiti and art on the walls. There's all the different artisans come there to sell their crafts, and people just walk around just happy and joyful. It's ridiculous.
Well, I heard the airfare there is pretty reasonable too.
It is. And you know, I typically fly Delta or JetBlue, but for South America, the best airline, Spirit. The best airline, hardly ever cancel flights. They're always on time, and the prices are so reasonable. I flew round trip for less than $600 with a check bag and a front seat.
And that's the most expensive part is getting there. Everything there is so incredibly inexpensive. Uber rides are $1.50 to $25 to anywhere in the city, you know. It's,
Well, I'm not going, like, it's.
the food is so fresh and it's like, it doesn't have a lot of the additives
Yeah,
and things
yeah.
that we have over here. And it's so inexpensive as well. It's,
I found that a lot of, when I was in Belize, you would go out to eat, and even breakfast, you bring a glass of orange juice, and it's like, it's the best oranges I've ever tasted. Because it doesn't have all that crap in it. Yeah, oh man, I'm mad. Jealous. That's awesome. Yeah, that sounds great.
Tomorrow, ready to go to work now.
Yeah, 'cause normally when I go places, I look for the art districts and go, I bring back my house and art from all.
man, you should see some of these pictures. It's incredible. Incredible.
Gonna be one of the next trips.
Was it expensive? Was it expensive?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
No, let me tell you,
You had a resort, a hotel, or
I
Airbnb?
stayed in a hotel. It's actually, they call it the Flats, Sonos Flats. And it has a kitchenette, so there's like a cooktop, there's an air fryer, there's a refrigerator, there's a sink, a kitchenette type setup in there, spacious. I paid $345 US American dollars to stay there for 7 days.
Oh, man.
7 days?
7 days. I was there from the 3rd to the 10th.
That's a
I know a place
And
in
it was
Detroit you can
right-
get that. You might stay there.
And it was right in the center of the Provenza neighborhood in Medellin, where all of the restaurants, the shops, the park, and there's parks everywhere. There's green everywhere. So there's, it's like you can breathe better because there's more oxygen.
Wow.
It's
Wow, yeah.
great.
It cost me just in gas to get to Traverse City at $290. So I mean. Excuse me. That's a good deal.
Yeah.
I guess we ready, right?
Yep.
Calling case number 1757582, the people of the state of Michigan versus Miguel Vasquez Casadena. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Winter, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Vasquez Castaneda.
Okay, you had any contact with your client?
I have not, Your Honor. The paperwork when I was appointed to represent Mr. Castaneda said that he was remanded. And so I began calling the jails and they had no record of him. I called ICE. They did not have him. However, this is a 2017 possession case and the people can't produce any discovery. They told me that they contacted their officer in charge, didn't get a response. So I don't know if Mr. Castaneda was in custody and he's been, deported or something. I just have no idea. But I think that they should dismiss the case anyway, because they can't proceed, they can't do anything, they can't give me any discovery. If he was here, they'd be dismissing.
If it was here, I'd be dismissing, but without a body, I can't. If they want to know the process, it's up to them.
The people wouldn't have been able to proceed as was spoken. We did not be able to furnish discovery. I have reached out to the OIC. They have not gotten back to me. But we'll leave it to the discretion of the court.
That's not a discretion of the court issue.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I have no authority to dismiss it like this.
Then we will, the people will.
You can nullity process if you want, which is dismiss it. get rid of the case, but it's up to you.
We'll know the cross.
All right, so the matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We need a,
I know.
Will you enjoy your future trip? Because I'll be looking to do. That is a good trip. I went to Chicago just for 2 nights. I did $600.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mark, did you make those arrangements on your own, or you went to a?
On my own.
On your own?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, you convinced me.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you some of these pictures, and they barely do it justice, but I get some good photographs.
How long was that flight?
So it's like 2.5 hours from here to Orlando, and then from Orlando to Medellin is another 3 hours.
Did you have to wrap your luggage?
No.
Yeah, not sometimes, well, there was a problem in certain countries, especially.
And Orlando is so good to come through because they stagger their international flights. So when your flight lands there, there's not another airplane full of people going through customs at the same time. So that line doesn't get super long, you know what I mean? It was a breeze. And then if you've got American Express,
Are you gonna?
if you got American Express, you get entry into the lounge, the airport lounge. So you don't have to wait at the gate, and in the lounge, there's complimentary food and drinks and places to rest, places to charge your device, and you just like hang out until it's time for you to go to your gate.
Wow.
And that comes with American Express and also with Capital One X. So if you got the Capital One Visa, you get the X version. It's almost any airport anywhere. Cause I was able to get into the lounge in the Colombian airport and in the Orlando airport. And, before I only could do it through Delta, but once I got it's called Privilege Pass or some type of pass, it comes with American Express, like automatic. As well as global entry comes automatically too.
Smart.
A TSA pre-check. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
No. This guy.
Keep it there. You're right. I'll look at it. In case you get a chance. Right.
They have some of the best beaches there.
San Andres and Cartagena. Cartagena is too touristy and like so many vendors are bothering you. You can't really enjoy it. San Andres, so beautiful. These are just some of the,
Look, where's the
in Comuna 13. But Comuna 13 is like basically
Harvard.
I'd rather have it dismissed than take.
So if Harvard take you to the base, but then you have to walk up. And when you get to the second plateau, they have escalators, and there's like 5 plateaus. And it goes, it just winds around, shops and artisans.
The rainy season would be our winter time. So like November, December, it's rainy. But when, even in the rainy season, it's not cold. It's just rainy.
We are doing like. I gotta get rid of that. Pain.
Trying to get to the side.
Yeah, that's not one. Yeah, 'cause you know, just how it's something that we have. I have. There, Columbia.
Try excited. So. Oh, I was talking about it, you know, if they go, they do December to
right around Easter. You know, because you can actually work remote. Yeah.
that's what's this year, the year.
And like December through.
And it's it.
I think it's May. Rich. Yeah, call it.
Man, let me tell you, the mall, even the mall, like, you, everything is open air, you know what I mean? So, this is the mall. I'm at the mall. I'm at the mall taking these pictures. Everything has multi-levels. So you go up the escalator and you look out and there's all of that. The mountains and the countryside view from the mall. And they have like a space in the mall where you can come and
Prosecutors dismissed the case. No, need sign. Sign it, tell them the case been dismissed.
we still need certain high quality. Something along the line.
We do it all the time. We've done it anyway. It's up to the judge ultimately, but.
At Coach. And when I charged my car, it was $6.36.
Oh, my God. I heard you say something about the coach.
They got a letter, yeah, they got, and they had a
You should
coach
still do that.
in the mall, but when I was there, they were for, my country's wonder, he said, this is what it is, and leather is better. And so, and they even have a person in the store looking box your leather for free once you buy something. So I bought like this purse, it's like a small purse with a strap, and wrote my name on it. I got her a matching shoe. And like, just a little over $100.
You got a manager.
$6.30 wasn't for the price of my manager. And everybody there is like the self-care, oh my God, managers and sponsors. And their healthcare, you know, US healthcare in the world, US is ranked like number 29.
Yeah, only thing they rank high in is emergency care. That's the only thing the US does well in medical, is the emergency trauma care.
Right.
That's it.
So people go there and get dental work, LASIK. My cousin got LASIK. He's worn glasses all his life.
Medical vacation.
Yeah, yeah, and they have it like boutique style where the doctors' offices, and they are like in this whole plaza where there's also hotels, and like you will go get your surgery, go to your suite, a nurse comes over and does your aftercare and checks on you, you know, it's like, it's crazy. So he got LASIK, and it was like a little less than $1,000. He's worn glasses his whole life, and he can see without glasses now. And the price for the LASIK over here was gonna cost him out of pocket about $3,000 after his insurance paid. He was looking at like a whole thing for under $1,000. The little medicated drops that you need afterwards were like a couple, like $200 in the US, $7.50 for drops. Wow. So you got like a multiplier of drops and.
I did, took your insert. I'm working at the like, and I was actually partially blind. They put the inserts on, I was 2020. You know, they cost me out of pocket.
See what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy how they spend so much money over here for everything. People go over there and get doggone implants and veneers and everything. My cousin got a cleaning while he was there. He was like, yeah, about $35. Cleaning, sandblasting, x-rays, you know. Because the first time he went, he got a whole little x-rays or whatever, and one of his fillings from years ago was loose and they replaced it. And so now every time he goes, he just gets it checked out. I'm just like, what? It's amazing. It's like, everything is like this is.
You get,
I'm ready to go.
I'm in the middle of the city, like down the street from my hotel. Like I can walk down the street and then right in there, like, it's just, everything is just lush and.
Wow, we'll go with my food.
Yeah, time goes.
Now you got somewhere different, you can go now, Jay. I'm trying to go too.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, my neighbor was telling me it was cheap to get there, you know, the airfare wasn't, you know, bad.
I went to the museum and the aquarium, so like, you know, how they got the exhibits with the dinosaur bones. Yeah, it's outside. So you're looking at the dinosaurs, but you're also getting this lovely landscape.
Oh, wow.
Everything at the same time. And they got this aquarium where they have all kinds of fish and reptiles and things that you can look at. But the way the aquarium is built is like the same tree that you see outside. When you get inside in the aquarium, you're looking at the roots of that tree. Inside the aquarium where the fish are swimming. You go down in the elevator, and you're going down into the aquarium. It's crazy.
And how was the weather?
Oh my God, it was 80s every day.
Wow. That's fun.
And it's always breezy, but they're in a valley, right? So everywhere you go, it's just uphill, downhill. But
You said your cousin is, purchasing a place there?
he's gonna rent a place for November through March this year. And if he likes it, then he's gonna look for a place to buy.
You can buy it.
You know how the, market is now?
No.
Yes, so small.
Oh, man.
So you
And you know what, I've been thinking.
6 months there, and maybe come back if I want to. So he's gonna come back.
And I don't really wanna retire outside the US, but I like every place that I like.
Outside of US.
But I've been looking at St. Thomas. St. Thomas to me is the US Jamaica.
Yeah, it is.
In terms of the climate, the culture and everything, so I've been looking at places over there.
The only problem I have with a lot of the Caribbean islands, that, wherever I go, I feel I have a way, have a way to get out of there. I have.
I'm saying that,
In different countries, sometimes, stuff happens.
Did you go get that?
And you really need to
go get your.
And then like
It
their
get cooler,
natural
and then it started warm, and then it got cooler. I gotta go out there and get some heat. Crazy.
Out there.
You gotta know somebody with a
they're
helicopter.
They're trying to do a case that we're very bad tomorrow. You're gonna be here tomorrow, right? You coming here tomorrow? Yeah, so we might be trying to get the judge
Yes,
going
they
up
have the
to
three stairs, you climb up there and there's like.
help out and Judge Jefferson.
Yes, we did climb up.
Judge Jefferson, he'll be helping out Judge Jefferson.
They have several, less intimidating
Yeah,
sets
but
of stairs,
we're
but I
trying,
did
you
climb,
have
and I
to
got some
think
good
these
stairs.
You
I'll
might
never
have
probably
to.
have.
Especially if we do this one case.
The three stairs, like
So
no
I
indeed.
want to say happy.
But these are the
Mother's
views
Day.
that I got.
Don't say. Okay. That's probably five.
wow, for real, 5 years.
That sounds like a winner.
When I went to Costa Rica, I did this thing they call it the world's largest water slide. And so kids, as I'm all walking up, almost 2 hours, hour and a half, something like that. And ran down, takes you about
4
15
seconds.
seconds.
Right.
Because you're going
Oh
so
my
fast,
God.
you're lying.
It was bad. That's the kind of thing I would do one time. I would do that once. Like, I would really want to do that, rainbow slide in El Salvador. That's how I live. Yeah, in El Salvador, they have this slide and it's like, it's made of tile and the tiles are all different colors. So it looks like a rainbow and it's high in the hills. When the light hits it, and it's like a prism. It's, oh my God. I want to do it so bad. I want to do it so bad. I can't wait till I can do that. And then when I do it, I'm gonna make sure I have a way to like video it, like GoPro or something.
GoPro, put it on there.
We have a case with that. It's gonna be dismissed.
Over where?
We try.
Stanfield,
We keep too much.
our last case.
No, Simon's not here.
Oh.
You don't understand?
I understand it from Mrs. Simon. No, Mrs. Simon is cool. I understand.
We tried calling him, he didn't answer. I called him several times.
Hey, man, step on that.
Oh, here it is. Parties ready on Terry Stanfield. Calling case number 2059459, the people of the state of Michigan versus Terry Stanfield. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Count 2, larceny in a building, habitual offender, 4th notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Remax Booth on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Alicia Martin, P69003, standing in with the attorney of record on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Stanford, can you state your name for the record, please? Seriously. Thank you.
Judge, people are able to proceed with this case. We have no discovery to turn over. So we can dismissal.
No objection to the dismissal, Judge.
All right, matter is dismissed.
All right, y'all have a good one.
You should take care of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Yes.
I believe. And he is. I ordered the way.
Yes, that is.
Start looking.
Yeah, I remember Luke. Actually, because I remember when you were telling me, Judge, about your neighbor telling you. Oh.
You said.
Yeah. True that. Hi, good morning. How are you? Good. I'm trying to find out. What is that? All right.
Can you have something that can understand? Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay. Oh. 140, 140. Oh, no way. Okay, right. Yeah. Good little tip. Sorry. No, he's not. Well. Hey, okay, I said go in and say that. Oh, she, tell her, this kid, tell her to file, and she got the judge. All right, all right,
All right.
attorney, can I hear more?
Yes, we have the, actually, she says that she's.
Hi. Yes.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do it.
Sounds real good.
I've been looking online.
Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Smart. Build my house.
Hey, you might want to go for 2 weeks though. I mean,
Because I'm ready to do it.
oh, yeah. No, I'm flying. She said flying to Orlando. I fly Delta.
Yeah, I do too.
And then it's international flight would be different. You know, I'm still with those seats.
Oh, for sure.
So, hopefully by Chicago. By October.
No problem. That's what they did. Really. I don't love that.
What do we?
It's just California is beautiful. I think that's the place I have been. So that's some wonderful.
Probably.
Years ago, they had it. Yeah. Oh, but you never mentioned it.
Well, yeah, I don't want to really talk about it.
It's just, she's she can get it all in. She can tell you all the places to go to.
So I'm gonna talk to, her husband and I talk all the time.
Okay, you know, see what's going on.
So
Get to
check them out.
There's always gonna be something. Yeah, but it's good to know, so where you go, even though you don't know, they got your back. Okay,
I'm not traveling to Texas, so we're gonna go do that. Yeah.
I know you.
Now I can walk.
That's, Paula, right?
Get up and muscle spasm. Try to lose my balance. So I'm trying to get good. That kind of contact.
You come down here, so.
What time? Something else.
Especially I got a time.
That'd be cool. I'm game. The weather.
You see, I was in a daze. We got 2 more.
Especially the Pacific side. That's where I've been. I want to go. I really installed the script. It's not, they don't have it. It's not, the infrastructure there is not there.
Oh, that's sad. Are we all ready?
Yes, it is.
The Lions just opening game Thursday night against the Chiefs.
That's gonna be nice.
That's the opening game of that.
Open game.
They're the first game of the season.
It's on Thursday.
The Lions versus the Chiefs
Okay. That's gonna be.
in Detroit.
Well, that, oh, cool.
I'm going.
I thought it was gonna be, it's in Detroit.
Yeah. I'm taking Friday.
Yeah, that's a really good game.
It's sunny and 70 outside right now.
I think it's supposed to go to 80.
Yeah.
Is everyone ready?
I'm going golfing today on Friday.
I'm gonna win. Yeah, all right.
We'll see on, Friday. We'll see on Monday.
Yes, that's right.
He goes all the time, it sounds like it's.
Alex, you go golf company?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta get together, man.
I'm ready to go.
Okay. Yeah, I go back.
I got
Did I put it?
I got enough golf balls to last the whole round.
Thank you, sir. You got your turn.
Parties ready on Raekwon Fowler, calling case number 23-56061. The people of the state of Michigan versus Raekwon Fowler. Defendant is charged with count 1, Giles, possession of weapon in habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Moran on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Detroit with the Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, P85948, appearing on behalf of Mr. Fowler, who is currently present in the courtroom. Well, zero.
Raekwon Fowler is now addressed the court. Tyler. I'm not cutting you off, and I would appreciate the apology, but I don't want your apology. I want your respect. I am not getting it. Is there any reason you wearing a t-shirt in my courtroom?
Yeah, while I was incarcerated, my mom had passed all my clothes to her house, and they moved her out. All my stuff got damaged in storage, and I was in the home like,
You have to come back to court again. Please find a shirt with a collar, all right? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
This will be a waiver of the exam, Your Honor.
Mr. Fowler, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam when the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
So,
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way, you should waive your right to preliminary exam. Waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney.
yes, sir.
You signed the waiver of examination form?
Yes, sir.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam at a bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be May 25th, 2023 at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Awesome.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's check. Oh, she's here.
Oh, bless you.
Excuse me. Thank you. Also, Mr. Lance.
Hammond and go forward. What game is on Friday? Show some on Thursday. Thursday.
No. Oh. For sure. To master like that would not be sweet. Barrel. Find out how. Yeah.
Yep. Oh.
Yes.
I'm just checking in.
Is your client here?
Yeah, we're at it. It's not till 11. So.
Okay, okay.
Is this where she?
Oh, we don't sign it.
We already see. So
Did she write down where she went, exactly where she went?
Medellin, it's Medellin.
Is it? That's that stinky. Yeah. Huh? I do, it's right here. You didn't say nothing. That stinky.
Fight it out.
I believe this going.
Okay, so I'll be outside. Yep.
Huh?
That was this much.
No, that was a
That was a
waiver.
waiver.
What we just did was a waiver.
Oh, yeah, right.
What happened? Where'd they go?
Huh?
She went to talk to her client?
Yeah, no, she said she got to know. I think it's gonna be home.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fox, but I'm like Oxford, Clarkston, and what area? I live in Metro. So we go, yeah, so I did, that's why I go all. Because I live. Even tie my number because if we go golf, not only am I gonna be able to beat my friend, now I'll be able to get my winning record. Well, he might be better than me, I don't know.
I guess you'll find out, huh?
That's right. You see, Tiger Woods has a new report against him. That this woman, he might have sexually assaulted. And he wanted her to sign an NDA, and she didn't sign it, and she's coming out about it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Tiger, tiger, tiger.
You doing?
Yeah.
How's it going, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Seems we can get many answers.
So you married?
No.
So.
Yeah. I'll make up for all that. Check this out. Okay. If we hold this, I had to give, you're gonna give me something.
Oh, yeah, get it up. It's looking like they're gonna hold.
I think so. No, February, September. She rarely waves, so. I just got some horses to show you.
Prosecutor got their witnesses.
They're talking to their officers right now.
Okay.
Anybody got the state troopers?
Hmm?
I believe they're state troopers.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor, can my client sit up at the desk with me? No? Okay.
Yes, sit behind. Please.
So step over this way a little bit more. Right there.
What? I'm still over text, if you want them up there, that's fine.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah.
Daryl Dawson.
Text or message and chat. This is the court.
Oh, I didn't see, Alex come in. Calling case number 2255817, the people of the state of Michigan versus Richard Hanna. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender. For notice, this matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge Alex Ringer, on behalf of people, P number P86590.
And good morning, Judge, Neighborhood Defender Service by Jackie Pilkowitz, P81653, on behalf of Mr. Hannon, who is standing to my right. Mr. Hannon, will you state your name for the judge, please?
Richard, and
Thank you. Ready to see?
The people ask that the case be dismissed pending further investigation.
No objection, Judge.
That's what I was ready.
Thank you, Judge.
Just need a form, please.
Got one, Sam?
Oh, no.
Oh, she got it.